out here just drifting across the lake trying to catch a few catfish. Been off the water for a few days. So I'm just gonna go out and see what I can do. This is Papa Hoppy here, and hopefully we'll catch something today. Not a whole lot of fish right here, but I don't want to go too far. Kind of late in the evening, so let's try what we can do. I'm just fishing old frozen shad right now, and we'll just see what happens. Well, I believe we finally got one. Oh, let's see what we got here. It took me a little while. Little low, looks like a, nope. Of all things, a stupid drum. Oh, well, at least it ain't a little drum though. Boy, it's been a rough day today when you gotta go around and catch a little drum. Oh, come on. Yep, gonna have to get my pliers. Man, that just bites. Oh, come on. All right, drum. You're up in here eating shad. There ought to be other stuff up in here. Yeah, like just a little old thing, but oh well, we'll take him. Try for a catfish before dark. See what happens. I have to call it a day. One drum, about all I could get. But I'm just getting over COVID, so maybe tomorrow will be better, since I didn't been out to see where the fish are lately. So hopefully we'll see y'all then. Well, thanks for watching and subscribing. Y'all have a good one now. Bye.